Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Sunday, April the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and the binary. Yes, it's time now for the JigsawSudoku. JigsawSudoku number. This will be number 8318. 8318. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has a double that number here. Alright, so I think it's a 1-star, maybe a 0 stars. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 0 stars, 14 or 30 minutes. Yeah. Question is it a 1-star or a 0-star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to use. Can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Well, cannot see any single boxes here. How about dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Cannot see any dual boxes here. How about triple boxes then? I see here only one triple box. The 1 is already given, so those 2 boxes will be 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Same for the other side, here also 4 or a 5, the box near the middle box. Well, the 5 we already have in the same area, so this box should be a 4 then. Alright, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Well, here we have a quadra box and here we have a quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left and 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box, 4 numbers 2. And the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in the 3, goes there. This quadra box, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more of this kind of shape? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. Yeah. When you see the L shape, remember, upside down the L shape, that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Here another one but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. By the way, 3, maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that we need to recognize. Yes, maximum 6. We have 6 shapes that you need to recognize. But we have here only 3. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. I've marked those two boxes earlier the 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because if I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left of 2 should be here then. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be 3. Alright. This box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 4. Alright. Then, this box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be so 3. Is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright, these two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Then, let me see. Well, this box can be a 1, but I think this box can also not be a 1. If I place a 1 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. Is also connected with that box, should be also 1. But we already have a 1 here. So here cannot be a 1. That box can be a 1. So only 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. So the 2 and the 3 are left. 2 and the 3. Okay. Then. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These two boxes around the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. These 3, wait. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be 2, we have a double 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this squash area should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. These two boxes around the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes around the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. And I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. And I need a 2 in this L-shaped area. Well, here can be 2. We have a 2 in this box. So no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. Is also connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left, the 4 and 5. Yeah. Okay. Then these two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. These 3 boxes around the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So here can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left of 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. But also that box can be 4. We have a double 4 there and a double 5 there. So the only place left of the 4 in this area should be here. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this cross area, 4 numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 1 then, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4 or a 5. You have double 4 there, double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape, 4 numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape, 4 numbers 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you, should be a 0 star instead of a 1 star. Faster than 40 minutes, 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. No, this was the last puzzle for today. Yes. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. We will meet again tomorrow on Sunday, and I will do the 4 puzzles in the additional, and in the evening the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.